These are problems with compound units. Number 1. Fatty acids will spread spontaneously on water and form a monomolecular surface film. If a benzene solution containing 0.20 cubic millimeters of stearic acid is dropped into a glass of water, the acid will spread to form a continuous surface film that covers an area of 75 squared centimeters. Once the benzene is evaporated from the glass, what is the average thickness of the surface film in A, nanometers, and in B, angstroms? So we're solving for the film thickness. And this can be defined as the volume over the area. And again, if we go back to the problem, that's exactly what we're presented with. Cubic millimeters